What's up, lifers? Today I'm going to show you some tips for beginner electric skateboarders. See ya in 20.
Let's go!
What's up, guys? I'm here at the Navy Pier. Just took a skateboard ride down the trail all the way from my place. It's about a 10-mile ride. Just checking this place out, getting some good shots, some good video. And yeah, after this I'm going to be skating down to downtown, probably get a bite to eat. Alright, got myself some top ramen. Now it's time to watch some Full Metal Alchemist. Looks so good. What's up, guys? Today I want to talk about a little tips that you can use for riding your new electric skateboard. Now, I got my electric skateboard like a couple weeks ago, so I learned a few things while riding this entire duration. So when I was out there riding, one of the things that I learned was never touch the remote with your second hand. So if you're holding the remote in your right hand, then you don't want to touch the remote with your left hand because you might accidentally hit the brake button. And in my case, I'm using the new R2 remote with the Evolve skateboard. Now the brake trigger is on the top of the remote. So I was reaching over with my hand to get to one of the other buttons. I accidentally pressed the trigger on the top with the palm of my hand, and I accidentally just tapped on the brake. Luckily I didn't fly off the board, so it was fine. But just make sure you're just using, your trigger hand to operate all the buttons and triggers and such. Another thing that I learned was just pay special close attention to the triggers on the remote and how fast you're actually going, how much you're actually pulling the trigger. So what happened with me was I was about to cross the street. I pulled the trigger just slightly to get a little bit of acceleration. I actually got a little dropout on connection. So once I got that dropout, I pulled the trigger more to try and get it to connect. Of course, once I pulled the trigger more, you're going to have more acceleration. So then the board ended up accelerating out from under my feet. And luckily, I landed on my feet just because, I'm good like that. But you just want to pay attention to that. If a connection does drop out, just make sure that you don't pull the trigger in more. Just let go of the trigger, and then press it slightly just to see if it reconnects again. Alright. So those are the two major things that I encountered so far. Everything else with the board has been pretty sweet. Just make sure that you're always, staying safe. We're going like 20 to 25 miles an hour on these electric skateboards, so that's much faster than you're usually going on a normal skateboard. So you just got to make sure that you're, staying safe and paying really close attention to the remote, to any rocks on the pavement. Just stay safe out there, guys. It's fun, but it can be dangerous. All right, so yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. That's what I've experienced so far with this electric skateboard. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.